NanoVit.
It was only launched last month, but a new European satellite is already sending back spectacular images of the Earth's atmosphere. ESA's Sentinel-5B spacecraft was built to map the pollution levels around the world. The first images released showed high concentrations of nitrogen dioxide over Europe. The yellow-brown gas is produced by petrol and diesel vehicles. The new mission to follow air quality comes off the back of last month's landmark report by The Lancet that showed global pollution, particularly in poorer countries such as India, kills at least 9 million people every year.